This is Hank from Henx. Hank is a big guy with a big passion for gardening. He loves the smell of flowers, so he's not going to ruin that with the smell of fuel gas in his garden tools. That's why all of his tools work on these extremely powerful, environmentally friendly Henx 40-volt batteries. To keep his lawn in perfect shape, Hank gives it that tender care with the 40-volt lawnmower. He can choose from rear bagging, mulching, or a side discharge. And when the job is done, he can put it away anywhere with the easy-to-use fold-in system. You never really know exactly when autumn will hit. Luckily, there's the Henx 40-volt blower with turbo boost. Hank needs some real power to give room to his creativity. This 40-volt hedge trimmer with 180-degree rotating handle gives him everything he needs, so Hank can make sure he gets a lot of work done, as well as to make sure his gardens stand out from that of the competition. Taking care of those peaceful gardens sometimes requires a tough approach. Hank's 40-volt chainsaw with gas-like power and automatic oiling system gets those heavy jobs done easy. Sometimes even the big guys can't reach places high up. That's when the Henx pole saw really comes in handy. When Hank needs to clear the way to get through, he does it without any struggle, using the 40-volt brush cutter with bike handle. And for the more delicate trimming, he takes out the string trimmer with bike handle or D handle. Take it from Hank. Use Henx.